What are you dreaming of, bro?
Bro, what if JP Morgan was made in India? It would be called JP Murugan.
All toppers of BITS Goa get placed at Morgan Stanley.
Shit, bro.
Hi, today I'll be giving you guys a quick room tour. Back at BITS Goa, I made a room tour video, and back then my room looked like that. This is my new house, and I cleaned my room so that I can film this video. And this is how it looks like. I have a bed, have some books. I'm reading How to Win Friends and Influence People because I only have one friend and I want to make more friends. You want to see that one friend that I have? Bro, are you friends with me?
Feeling lonely, you have no friends, bro.
Now we'll do the actual serious room tour. This is Abhay Shenoy. He is one of our interns and he came here to stay over last night. But he thinks he can take my room and stay here forever, but I'm not going to let you do that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I like the view from my window. And Nietzsche, we have a small backyard. But once in a while we have barbecue parties. But then I think we should grow tomatoes and vegetables there. What are you holding?
Bro, this is my peppermint spray, bro.
No. Sure.
You know why I use it for? When there's
Hair removal spray. Oh shit, no. I lost all my hair, bro. I'm bald. Shana just sprayed the hair removal spray on me. I'm gonna spray that on his hair. I'll show you something interesting here. Guess what this is? Okay, I hope you made your guess. It's my BITS Pilani degree. So if you've ever wondered how a degree looks like, this is how it looks. There's this thing called the product folks. They gave me short glasses and a golf ball, which is kind of cool.
Harish,
Yeah?
it's getting hot in here. Is it you? Or the summer?
Cool. I'll show you some of the books that I have read. I don't read a lot of books, but then these are like few that I've been able to finish. The first one is How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you want to learn how to be nice to people, how do you like sort of deal with a lot of people, great book to read. So you can try this out.
He has no friends.
Then I read Ashneer Grover's story. Have mixed views about it, but then if you really want to like deep dive into sort of the behind the scenes of a startup and what went down at BharatPe, good book to read.
Bro, didn't he go to jail or something?
He did not go to jail. This is one of my favorite books, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. Naval Ravikant is the founder of AngelList and he's heavily into philosophy and stuff like that. And he says in the book that happiness is peace. Great book. Just try it out. He has really good views on what happiness means and what purpose of life means. If you're ever confused about a lot of these things, which I still am, like I just go back to this book. Great book. And because it's written by someone in the startup ecosystem, it's far more relatable because he's successful. So like most bachelor's room, my room used to stink a lot, but then one of my friends gave me incense sticks, so it smells good now. Incense sticks. Up we have the cupboard. So beautiful. Can you feel the texture? This is something that Manipal University gave. You see? It's like the entire Manipal city.
Except
And
where
like,
are you?
I'm not there, but it's got like, it's a coastal place, so it's got a boat. It's got like people fishing,
Bro,
there's
the
a
H in
temple.
Manipal stands for Harish, bro.
I also got this thing where I've put a lot of pictures of me and my friends, me and my professor, Wiki Bats, my parents. This is like during convocation time. This is back in the Goa time when we used to like, when it was almost just us with like a couple of interns working. This is me and Shreyans. This is me and Shankar. This is me and my dad. It has a lot of photos. These are like childhood friends and stuff. It has 0 photos of you, bro.
Bro, have you
I
ever
think
wondered?
you're not my friend. Bro,
Bro,
I came on Forbes 30 under 30. What about you?
Bro, that's whack, bro. I came in the Forbes 8 billion under 8 billion. Psych.
That seems like a larger number. You can take my room. You can
Size
take my
doesn't
house.
matter, bro. Size doesn't matter.
You can
Get
take my
out.
house.
Get out.
I think I'll have to sleep in the terrace.
You come back here, bro. Come back, come back.
It's not my phone, bro. It's not my phone.
Yeah, we're done. Bro, bro, someone should record us. Fight round. Forbes 30 under 30 versus Forbes 8 billion under 8 billion. We just do this, bro.
Oh shit, he just threw me off the
Oh yeah, then sit here. We'll get a shot. You can talk about. It was such a peaceful morning.
Forbes 30 under 30 just died.
The Forbes 30 under 30 just died. That is the most fake laugh I've ever heard. No payment jokes? Bro, I don't get paid, bro.
Right now, we'll do the actual room tour with our intern, Abhay. He doesn't live here, but he came here to stay over last night.
Is this what you make your interns do at bluelearn? Expose, guys!
One of my friends, Abhinav, gave me this Jordan headband and I love this. Alright, so some of you might ask, how much rent do I pay for this place? Now this is a 6 BHK villa and 4 of us live here. Now it might seem like a very expensive place to live in, but actually we are not paying as much rent. Like I am personally paying around 17,000 in rent, and the rent for the total place is around 69,000. We negotiated with the broker to make sure that's 69,000 rupees every month. But then this place is a little away from HSR, so we got a much better deal. And it's a nice quiet place. The area is not the best, like it takes us about 20 minutes to reach office. But for now it works. Maybe next year I might get a place in HSR itself. But for now it's here. Hey, Shunay. What sliders are you wearing?
Bro, these are called Michael Janardans, bro.
These are Janardans?
If Michael Jordan was made in India, it would be called Michael Janardan.
Haha.
What the fuck is this? There's nothing there.
Look at that cute cycle. It's funnier than Shunay.
No, bro. I want to be a stand-up comedy one.
You want to be a stand-up comedy?
I wanna
Yeah.
be a stand-up comedian one day. Bro, what are you doing, bro?
I'm searching for the comedy.
Oh, comedy is here.
Where?